Hello friends, today we are making cheese and butter chiffon cake, which is one of my favorites. I made a more economical version by using cheese spread, and it turns out even better. There are some modifications because of the cheese I used. The spread texture is not dense like cream cheese. It's more runny, that is why I use less liquid milk and more cheese spread. The full recipe can be found in the description box below. In a double boiler, add milk, cheese and butter until melted. Immediately add the yolks one by one, stirring constantly so the eggs don't cook. Filter if necessary. Add all ingredients except the diced cheese and mix well. Beat the egg whites until they are half fluffy. Add the granulated sugar. Beat until firm peaks. Pour the egg whites into the flour mixture gradually. Stir gently. Finally, pour the cheese pieces into the mixture. Stir well, and grate the cheese on top. Put the mixture into a special chiffon pan. Bake at temperature 150 degrees Celsius. No fan for 15 minutes. Remove from the oven and make the slits. Continue baking at 140 degrees Celsius. No fan for 45 minutes, or until cooked. Adjust according to your oven. Take out from the oven and let it cool down completely by placing upside down to prevent shrinking. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Leave me a comment in the comment section below. Share and save this video for future use. Thank you so much for watching. You can get the full recipe in the description box below. Bye for now.